Hi, this is for those of you who have never tried a lychee fruit. Lychee fruits are grown in China, I think sometimes in India too, but they're really native to China. This is lychee season right now, so if you see them in your grocery store, pick some up, give them a try, and you'll know what they're all about. I'm always for trying foods that I've never tried before. It increases your awareness of what things taste like and where they come from. The shell on a lychee is inedible, so you have to break it open, and it's really quite simple. Just, you can do it with your hands, pops right open. And inside, you'll find a white, juicy flesh. It's really, really sweet. And all you do is you pop this in your mouth and start eating it. I'm not going to eat it on camera for you because I have a problem with people that chew their food on camera. But when you start to eat it, you're going to feel that there's a great big pit inside. So the pit is also inedible. Give it a try. Next time you're at your grocery store, if you see some, I know that you can find these in cans as well, but they're always canned in a syrup. And why not eat these when they're in season and they're also 0 points? Thank you for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.